This is a short flight of just over a minute where I test out the dynamic tracking ability of the Autel EVO 4K drone. Just after takeoff, I futz around in the control screen and select Dynamic Track. This brings up an animation that tells me to use my finger to drag a box around the object I wish to track. I then position the drone and the camera such that my dog LB is in view and select him. Then I hit the Start button and the drone shows a green highlight box around him as he starts to move around. The drone and the camera adjust automatically to keep LB centered in the frame. Eventually, however, he heads for the darker shadowy area near the tractor, and though the auto camera settings account for the dark background, the tracker loses LB in the process, and he scampers off. I'm going to have to try this again in better lighting conditions and a little bit longer, maybe on a longer walk.